Madhya Pradesh, located in the heart of India, is a land of diverse landscapes and rich cultural heritage. From dense forests teeming with wildlife to majestic waterfalls and ancient temples, this state offers a captivating journey for every traveler. Known as the heart of India, Madhya Pradesh pulsates with a vibrant energy that reflects its natural beauty and historical significance. Let us embark on a virtual tour of some of the most scenic spots this incredible state has to offer. The state's varied topography ranges from the Vindhya and Satpura mountain ranges to the fertile plains of the Narmada River Valley. This geographical diversity creates a mosaic of habitats, supporting a rich biodiversity that includes tigers, leopards, and a plethora of bird species. The rivers, forests, and hills of Madhya Pradesh create a tapestry of natural wonders, each with its own unique charm. From the cascading waterfalls to the serene lakes, the state offers a visual feast for nature lovers. Madhya Pradesh also boasts a rich history, evident in its ancient monuments, forts, and palaces. The influence of various dynasties, including the Mauryas, Guptas, and Mughals, has left an indelible mark on the state's architecture and culture. Exploring these historical sites provides a glimpse into India's glorious past. The intricate carvings and majestic structures stand as testaments to the artistry and craftsmanship of bygone eras. As we delve into the scenic wonders of Madhya Pradesh, prepare to be amazed by the breathtaking landscapes and the stories they hold. Each destination offers a unique experience, from wildlife encounters to historical explorations. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems of this enchanting state. Let the journey begin. The marble rocks of Bhedaghat, located on the banks of the Narmada River, are a breathtaking spectacle of nature's artistry. Towering cliffs of pure white marble rise majestically from the riverbed, creating a stunning contrast against the deep green waters. The sunlight reflecting off the marble surfaces creates a dazzling display of light and shadow. The sheer scale and beauty of these rocks are truly awe-inspiring. A boat ride through the Narmada River Gorge offers a close-up view of these magnificent formations. The smooth, polished surfaces of the marble rocks, sculpted by centuries of erosion, are a testament to the power of nature. The towering cliffs create a sense of grandeur, while the gentle lapping of the river against the boat adds to the tranquility of the experience. The boatmen often share local legends and stories, adding another layer of intrigue to the journey. The marble rocks are not just visually stunning, they also hold geological significance. The marble here is of exceptionally high quality and is used in various crafts and sculptures. The unique geological formations provide valuable insights into the Earth's history. The area is also home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, adding to its ecological importance. The combination of natural beauty and geological significance makes the marble rocks of Bhedaghat a must-visit destination in Madhya Pradesh. The sheer scale of the marble cliffs and the tranquility of the river create an unforgettable experience. The play of light and shadow on the marble surfaces adds to the magic of this unique natural wonder. Kanha National Park, one of India's most renowned tiger reserves, is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Spread over a vast expanse of dense forests and grasslands, the park offers a unique opportunity to witness the majestic Bengal tiger in its natural habitat. The park's diverse ecosystem supports a wide range of flora and fauna, making it a biodiversity hotspot. The lush greenery and the sounds of the jungle create an immersive experience. The park's rolling meadows and dense sal and bamboo forests provide the perfect camouflage for tigers, leopards, and other elusive creatures. Jeep safaris and guided tours offer visitors the chance to explore the park and spot these magnificent animals. Experienced guides share their knowledge about the park's wildlife and their conservation efforts. The thrill of spotting a tiger in the wild is an experience that stays with you forever. Kanha National Park is not just about tigers. It is also home to a variety of other wildlife, including barasingha, swamp deer, Indian wild dogs, sloth bears, and numerous bird species. The park's diverse ecosystem provides a rich habitat for these animals. Birdwatchers can spot a variety of colorful birds, including the Indian peafowl, the state bird of Madhya Pradesh. The park's commitment to conservation has made it a success story in tiger preservation. The efforts of the Forest Department and local communities have helped increase the tiger population significantly. Visiting Kanha National Park is not just a wildlife adventure, it is also a contribution to the conservation of these magnificent creatures. Bandhavgarh National Park, known for its high density of tigers, is another prime destination for wildlife enthusiasts in Madhya Pradesh. The park's dense forests and rocky terrain provide an ideal habitat for these majestic predators. The chances of spotting a tiger in Bandhavgarh are considered among the highest in India. The thrill of encountering a tiger in its natural habitat is an unforgettable experience. The park's varied topography, including hills, valleys, and meadows, creates a diverse ecosystem that supports a rich variety of flora and fauna. Besides tigers, the park is also home to leopards, sloth bears, deer, and numerous bird species. Jeep safaris and elephant rides offer visitors the opportunity to explore the park's diverse landscapes and spot its wildlife. Bandhavgarh is also home to the ancient Bandhavgarh Fort, perched atop a hill overlooking the park. The fort offers panoramic views of the surrounding forests and adds a historical dimension to the park's appeal. Exploring the fort's ruins provides a glimpse into the region's rich history. The combination of wildlife and history makes Bandhavgarh a unique destination. The park's dedicated conservation efforts have played a crucial role in protecting the tiger population and preserving the park's biodiversity. Visiting Bandhavgarh National Park is not just a wildlife adventure, it's also a contribution to the conservation of these magnificent creatures and their habitat. Imagine stepping into the heart of the jungle, where the stories of Mowgli, Baloo, and Bagheera come alive. Yes, this is the land that inspired Rudyard Kipling's The Jungle Book. Here, in the lush forests of Madhya Pradesh, wildlife thrives and adventures await at every turn. From the majestic Bengal tiger to the elusive leopard, the jungle is teeming with life. So get ready to embark on a wild journey through the enchanting wilderness. Now, let's travel to Khajuraho, a place renowned for its stunning temples and intricate sculptures. These architectural marvels date back to the Chandela dynasty and are a testament to the artistic and cultural brilliance of ancient India. The temples, adorned with detailed carvings, depict various aspects of life, love, and spirituality. As you walk through this UNESCO World Heritage Site, you'll be mesmerized by the beauty and craftsmanship that have stood the test of time. Next, we arrive at the historic city of Gwalior, home to one of India's most impressive forts. Gwalior Fort, perched on a rocky hill, has witnessed centuries of history and grandeur. This fortification is not just a military stronghold, but also a treasure trove of palaces, temples, and intricate carvings. Within its walls, you'll discover stories of valor, intrigue, and royal splendor. The panoramic views from the fort are simply breathtaking, offering a glimpse into the rich heritage of Madhya Pradesh. The Sanchi Stupa, one of the oldest stone structures in India and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This magnificent monument, built by Emperor Ashoka in the 3rd century BCE, stands as a testament to the rich Buddhist heritage of Madhya Pradesh. As you walk around the stupa, you can almost feel the spiritual energy that has enveloped this place for centuries. It's truly a serene experience. Next, we journey to Pakmarhi, often referred to as the Queen of Satpura. Nestled in the Satpura range, this hill station is a treasure trove of natural beauty and ancient caves. With its lush greenery, cascading waterfalls, and panoramic viewpoints, Pakmarhi offers a perfect escape into nature. It's a place where you can breathe in the fresh mountain air and just, lose yourself in the tranquility. Now, let's head to the charming town of Maheshwar, located on the banks of the sacred Narmada River. Known for its beautiful ghats and historic fort, Maheshwar is a place where time seems to stand still. The town is also famous for its handloom saris, which are a must-buy souvenir. Sitting by the riverside, watching the sunset, you can feel a deep sense of peace and connection with the timeless flow of the Narmada. So, are you ready for your next adventure in Madhya Pradesh? From the spiritual serenity of Sanchi Stupa to the natural beauty of Pakmari and the riverside charm of Maheshwar, this state has something for every traveler. Pack your bags and get ready to explore the heart of India. We can't wait to see you here.